Instagram starts testing new auto-caption sticker for stories. It adds captions to stories automatically as the user speaks while recording the video. The sticker resides in the user's sticker library inside the story creation page. The sticker dubbed Captions was discovered by renowned social media consultant Matt Navarra. He got his hands on this new Instagram Stories feature and shared a short video showcasing it on Twitter. New. Instagram has added a Captions sticker for stories. You can now auto-caption videos and stories with a range of different styles. Matt Navarra March 9, 2021. So, as you can see in the video, the new Captions sticker sits right inside Instagram's sticker library. Once the user activates it, the feature auto-transcribes the audio to put the captions over the video in real time. Moreover, users can choose from a set of different fonts. If you are an iOS user, then you might know that there is a similar feature in Apple's Clips app that transcribes spoken words in real time to add captions to videos. Further, we saw Facebook add a similar feature for live streams back in September last year. Now, the Captions sticker is currently in the testing phase. As a result, it is only available to a limited number of users at the moment. Once rolled out publicly, this could hugely help those with hearing disabilities record their stories and see what they are actually saying while recording. Featured image courtesy, Matt Navarra.